In today's video, we will be covering the secret Valorant Crosshairs you need to try. First up, we have the small eye crosshair. Begin by turning off the outlines and center dot. Turn on inner lines and use 1, 2, 4, 1 with a vertical length of 1. Disable both error options. Turn on outer lines and use 1, 2, 2, 2 with vertical lines set to 1. Disable both error options. Our next crosshair is the candy crosshair. Turn off outlines and center dot. Enable inner lines and use 1, 3, 2, 0 with line length unlinked and a vertical length of 2. Turn off both error options. Enable outer lines and use 1, 1, 4, 3 with line length unlinked and a vertical length of 0. Again, make sure both error options are disabled. The next Valorant crosshair is the small Shuriken. Turn off the outline and center dot options. Turn on inner lines and use 1, 2, 2, 2 with line length linked. Keep both the movement error and firing error options turned off. Turn on outer lines and use 1, 1, 4, 1 with the line length linked. Turn off both error options. Next is the dotted circle crosshair. Start by turning on outlines, then set the opacity and thickness both to 1. Turn off center dot. Turn on inner lines, then use 1, 1, 5, 1. Unlink the line length and set the vertical length to 0. Disable the movement and firing error options. Turn on outer lines and use 1, 1, 1, 2 with the line length linked and both error options turned off. Next, we have a wedge crosshair. Turn off outlines. Turn on center dot with an opacity of 1 and thickness 3. Turn on inner lines and use 1, 1, 5, 1. Unlink line length with vertical length set to 0. Turn off both error options and also disable outer lines. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more Valorant and gaming videos. Also, be sure to check out our video on the best crosshair colors to use in Valorant.